Hello traders, today is Wednesday, December 18th, and the market is really selling off here really hard. I want to show you, it's the afternoon on the Sonic system, just a quick overview of all of these signals that have occurred, and they are all to the short side using the Sonic system. So at about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock actually, here, you can see that we had some type of news event here. Now, how do we know there was a news event? Well, look at that huge candle, as you can see it, and this huge candle is telling me there's a news event. Now, we do have a news indicator. In case you don't have it, you can get a free member account and then have access to this free day trade to win news indicator. If you like it, you can go ahead and access it for your charts and your trading. I'm going to click here just the US news events, and we can see here there are upcoming news events that appear here on the top left hand of your chart. You can see them right there. Now, the news event occurred and the news was terrible. I believe the news was terrible. And now you can see the market just kept on going lower and lower. So what are our opportunities? Our opportunities are to sell it here. This is the Sonic. To sell it here. This is the Sonic. To sell it here, here, here. We're talking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 trades. So the last trade here is still a short. We're continuing to go lower. There's 12 trades here to the short side. I wanted to share this with you. This is the Sonic trading system by Day Trade to Win. Now, it's about 3:45 on a Wednesday. I believe that the market now is really getting too close into the end of the day. I wouldn't recommend taking any other trades if you haven't taken advantage of what you're seeing here of the sell-off, whether you're using your own methods or the Sonic or the Atlas line or the autopilot, whatever type of trading that you're doing. Now it's getting a little bit too close to the end of the day, but I wanted to share this with you to show you how the software performs in an environment like this where the market is selling off and we have these opportunities. If you have any questions, visit daytradetowin.com, get the Sonic trading system for your charts, and I'll see everyone in class. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.